Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, and has a crust primarily composed of elements similar to Earth's crust, as well as a core made of iron and nickel. Mars has surface features such as impact craters, valleys, dunes, and polarized caps. It also has two small and irregularly shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos. Some of the most notable surface features on Mars include Olympus Mons, the largest volcano and highest known mountain on any solar system planet, and Valles Marineris, one of the largest canyons in the solar system. Now let us see how India reached Mars in first attempt. The mission called Mars Orbiter Mission, MOM, also called Mangalyaan, the space probe orbiting Mars since September 24, 2014. It was launched on November 5, 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organisation. It is India's first interplanetary mission and it made it the fourth space agency to achieve Mars orbit, after Roscosmos, NASA, and the European Space Agency. It made India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit and the first nation in the world to do so on its maiden attempt. The Mars Orbiter mission probe lifted off from the first launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Sriharikota Range SHAR, Andhra Pradesh, using a Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, rocket C-25 at 9:08 UTC on November 5, 2013. The launch window was approximately 20 days long and started on October 28, 2013. The MOM probe spent about a month in Earth orbit, where it made a series of 7 apogee-raising orbital maneuvers before trans-Mars injection on November 30, 2013, UTC. After a 298-day transit to Mars, it was put into Mars orbit on 24 September. The spacecraft is currently being monitored from the Spacecraft Control Center at ISRO Telemetry, Tracking and Command Network, ISTRAC, in Bengaluru with support from the Indian Deep Space Network, IDSN, and TENI at Bengaluru, Karnataka. The primary objective of the mission is to develop the technologies required for designing, planning, management and operations of an interplanetary mission. The secondary objective is to explore Mars' surface features, morphology, mineralogy and Martian atmosphere using indigenous scientific instruments. Study the constituents of Martian atmosphere including methane and CO2 using remote sensing techniques. Study the dynamics of the upper atmosphere of Mars, effects of solar wind and radiation and the escape of volatiles to outer space. The mission would also provide multiple opportunities to observe the Martian moon Phobos and also offer an opportunity to identify and re-estimate the orbits of asteroids seen during the Martian transfer trajectory. In May to June 2015, Indian scientists got an opportunity to study the solar corona during the Mars conjunction when Earth and Mars are on the opposite sides of the Sun. This event helped scientists study the solar surface and regions where temperature changed abruptly.